Well, kung kong arrangement ko lei kan di dang lei to open ko yung school. Tayo kong kan ni le diskir ni slap ang gipenwit tang oras yang kemen wan yo umi sibon. Gati ada jandep yu open ko yung right classroom dan ubo ya gitu ke sodium hypochlorite solution 1% no bleach solution da gitu yo open ko human ready hagon ko por man haban kena terus yang kemen le wa sokar percang iko nagaliang yang ka open poi kena sa school dan nagaliang yang the chnai arrangements jiskiat ngada peni ka notice board le wa petip oyegi kena school gi pure no liberty wa ki online classes yang ulai bat ki kamu dojo ulai ki online test ki uju man ile uman ki kamu uju man tang wagani to special reach out ko ye aule kan ni how ilat ke sarkar bukan ki kena school yang ada wai gubi counter report school ni bahag ni ki kena ki wa mem access ki mobile mem access ki internet mem access ki computer te ngai skema saja bagi ki pure online te kam ki te kena la em la cha ki begi pa la de consent ki begi pa te ye ki one register report school report tu yoki we hagapor ko biang ko daw ya consult biang iu government daw api ki orders yang government manda tok rapor ko da biang te daw khud iki school wo maintain ki protocol sura obo government te gini hi wo mi ulai online te jaj wo i system yang i daman go system ko pura ni ba online learning te ki classroom le da pengkre i TV yo he 55 inch TVs ki wo bo in every classroom ko kino hikai manda hikai gi kena le utem gi jo ki online lectures ki yongki way let's say after the lecture the MG kili gi kena ye gi kuli and the teachers will answer them kami le agi online classes ki yong after the lectures ki kena phone number yang no hikai the bo ye ga web page yang tu subject tagi kena ju phone gi no hikai gi problems ki yongki way gi no hikai ju jawab ki lembaga mobile phone te gi kena ju em ye kita facility da open bai school ye gi becam gi no hikai te tangwa kamu ipi hadin wada i consent yang gi bagi pa and that's very important and I believe things will get better. Central government lang ayo book a lip how we trip September as a date after which schools might open. So we are anticipating for that to come. It's not very far, so need a point. By then we will be ready, and by then the students who don't have access to the internet, kidaw patut je ini. Kamu mana do kami the MHU1, tang mandas dangi one, they can always give their name. Then we will allot them. Kamu like to do appointment, you know. Tila ngat will have to have an appointment system. Kita kena at that time, kita kena at that time. So that congestion doesn't happen in the school. The worst thing that can happen is if everybody comes at the same time, then there will be a problem. Tangwal the coordinate bahai, yung appointment yung por go one kena the timing go MG school. Next schema yung gitu give them online, they will be able to be served. I'm looking forward to a very positive class interaction with the children who can come to school. Gitu gejing ke encouragement gyo nga gitu kena ki man comfortable with online, go ahead with online. Ngada bo ni kena yo phone nga gyo ang sir im puku I want school we are comfortable with online. Go ahead with that. I have no objections. Go ahead because online is also as good as offline. Jadi gitu gyo hi online ka ni they can always register their name in the school office. After they've registered, then we will put a schedule and we will call them as per a schedule, and we will be playing those videos for them in the classroom, and the teachers will answer their questions if they have. Next schema will be able to help them. I just pray that the government will have wisdom to keep on modifying the ways of administering schools. Kita mau i cakri bahaya di kena skor yang kompleks itu.